टेकी जनरल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाइए सो दैट सारे टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे। Welcome friends, in this video I will be telling you how you can correct your not performing video problem of VLC media player. So keep watching till the end and the problem will be solved in few minutes. As you can see, there's a problem creep up in VLC media player that when we play a video, the audio comes but the video is unavailable. It shows a black screen. So how we can solve this problem is a task in hand. So it's very simple. Just go to browser and type VLC media player older version. As I have already given the downloading link in the description, but you can also download it directly from the site. So go in the second line, the 64-bit one and 32-bit one, whichever is suitable for your computer. Mine is 64-bit, so I will click and the download will be start in few seconds. See, as I have clicked the download button, now it will start. It will show a keep or discards message. You just have to click keep. It will be downloaded in a minute depending on your internet connection. Now go to control panel and uninstall the previous version of VLC media player which was installed in your computer. Double click and uninstall it. Click finish, and now you can install the downloaded version of the VLC media player. Just double click it and it will get installed in few seconds. The installing has started. It will take 30 seconds around. Click next and install. It will take around 15 to 20 seconds to install. Few more seconds it will take to install. See, the file has already installed. Now click finish and uncheck the boxes. Click continue. Click on the video again and the problem is solved. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.